We can't be working so hard out here so that we can be able to afford foods like chapati, and then you come out of nowhere and tell us we can't eat chapati because we want to lose weight. Really? Do you guys know, some of us where we were brought up, chapati was for special occasions? And special occasions, I mean Easter, Christmas, Tarehe Moja, 1st January, and such selected dates. And so we must give chapati its glory. Losing weight or not, we have to eat chapati. And this video today, I'm just here to show you how we can consume chapati and still lose weight, okay? It's not about abandoning a certain type of food in totality. It's about finding a balance so that you live your life, you enjoy your life, you enjoy the foods that you like to take, you enjoy the drinks that you love to take, and you lose weight at the same time, okay? It's a matter of finding the balance, really, not just abandoning the food altogether, which we are not ready to do, okay? We are not ready to do. And so guys, welcome back to another segment of Ronji Health Tips. If this is the first video you're watching on this channel, we are happy to have you. Thank you so much. Welcome. Have a seat, join the team at Ronji Health Tips to give you nothing other than good health content that could be beneficial to you or to somebody you care about. And of late, we've been sharing our own journey, our own weight loss, journey and struggles, the kind of food we eat, the kind of timings we make for our food, the kind of portions, which is a bit of what I'm going to talk about today, considering we are doing chapati for weight loss, okay? We've been talking about the drinks that we like to take, especially when we are aiming at losing a few pounds. And so you are at the right place. Karibu sana, we are happy to have you. And today's episode, I wanted to share a recipe of my food. On weekends is chapati time, okay? We do some chapos on weekend, and I love to enjoy those, especially on either on Fridays or Saturdays. Depends with when I can make time to the kitchen to really make some. And at the beginning, when I was starting my weight loss journey, it seemed like a challenge because you could hear advices here and there, how wheat is bad, how wheat is wrong for your, weight loss journey, how you should abandon wheat altogether. And I couldn't stay away from wheat, especially chapati, because this is one meal that we sometimes look forward to. Like I've told you, it's a glorified kind of meal here. And so we like to look forward to chapo days. And I love making chapatis. I make quite good chapatis. At least my family can attest to that. I can't go into competition yet, but anyway, we love doing chapati, and I couldn't stay away from them. And at some point I felt like, am I sabotaging my own weight loss journey, or what's happening? Because you are given this kind of advice, yet you cannot follow it in totality because you are not addicted, but chapo is one of the foods that we consume here in Kenya, okay? And so with time, I found out that it is not even healthy to avoid a certain type of food in totality. And so I found my balance. Before, I used to consume, let's say, 2.5 chapatis, but then I reduced that portion to just one, okay? And so when I'm doing chapos, and that will be one time in a week, only on weekends, I stick to one chapati, and I take it with either vegetable or stew. And I still lose weight. It doesn't affect my weight loss journey as long as I keep my portions down. And I'm gonna repeat that. When you're doing chapatis, you want to remember the word P for portion, okay? If you're used to doing 4 chapatis, anybody out here who is doing 4 chapatis with stew? Because I know the maximum people who consume, most chapatis ni wase wa mjei. Na we kama si mse wa mjei, unakula chapati 4 za nini. Anyway, it really doesn't matter. If that is what you are accustomed to, that is what you've been consuming, then I want, as you're looking forward to lose weight, I want you to bring that number down. Not drastically. I'm not going to ask you to consume 1 chapati, but I want to ask you to bring it down to about, if you've been taking 4, start taking 3, then move to 2, and just see how your body adapts to the new portions of the meals that you are taking, okay? And so this is what I take for weekends. I take chapati with stew. I like it with dengu or with vegetable. It depends, okay? Whatever is available. And I do it the normal way. I cook chapatis the normal way, I serve them the normal way, and we enjoy them, and I'm still able to lose weight because I'm watching the letter P for portion, okay? I do one chapati, and that is one chapati once a week, okay? And so I don't think there's a reason why you should stay away completely from chapati. If they are your favorite, if you like to do them, go ahead and consume them. Just remember to keep your portions down, and continue doing other stuff also, you know, the exercises, the consumption of water, the, you know, fasting. For those who are doing intermittent fasting, continue keeping at those even as you consume your favorite meals. We are not advising you to leave any meal for the sake of, you know, weight loss in totality. We are just asking you to find your balance and, you know, check out the right portions that work for you. One chapati works for me. For somebody else, it could be half a chapati and stew, you know. I'm not yet there. I'm not yet there. My genes, my DNA does not allow me to go below one chapo. I will be starving if I go there, okay? And for those who can do half a chapati and stew, hey, whatever it is you can afford to deny yourself. Remember, we said if you want something so bad, you have to deny yourself another thing that is in existence in order to acquire that which you want to get. And so if chapos, if you outweighs your, you know, your need to lose weight, then consume them how you've been consuming them. If you want to lose weight so bad, keep that portion down, okay? Keep that portion down and keep it consistent so that you are not left feeling guilty of not having eaten your favorite meal. And there is repercussions to that. When you are denying yourself so much, it reaches a time your body becomes resistant to whatever it is you are pushing it to become. Okay? Ni kama inakugomea. Because you start having these crazy cravings, ndio unajipata unakula pies, unakula chipo, unakula, you know, burgers and stuff like that. Si ungekula tu ile chapati uko nyumbani and then you keep that craving in check. Okay? So don't deny yourself. To an extent, your body starts, you know, demanding seriously for these items you are denying it. Just keep the portions down and, you know, be good with what works for you. That was all for today. Go ahead and share the video if you like it. Let's meet again on another episode where I'll be sharing another recipe for my weight loss journey. For those who are sending me messages, for those who are subscribing, thank you so much. God bless you. I don't take your participation and your support for granted. Mungu awabariki sana, and let's keep it at Ronji Health Pips. Bye. Until another time. See ya.